Hey guys, Jacka here. Today's video is using the Color Workshop palettes. Well, we only used one, but I mean, they're all the same consistency. They all work exactly the same. I've used them all, so yeah, but today I used this gray smoky one and created this look. So if that interests you, then you should probably watch the video. Okay, so yeah, if you like beauty related videos, like shop with me's, tutorials, mainly tutorials, I do a lot of tutorials, and reviews and stuff, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell if you want to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation, and you will be alerted as soon as my videos go up. Okay, yeah, that's it. Let's get into the video. So I have the eyeshadows here. There is this colorful one. I'm hoping the lighting's better today. I don't know what was with the last video I filmed. The lighting was crazy, but there's this colorful rainbowy one. There's this neutral one. Can you see that? There's this like pinky purpley one. And then this like smoky gray black one. I think I want to use this one today. Oh, I kind of like it. Yeah. So I'm going to use this one. And just so you know, the consistency in all these shadows are the same. So what this shadow does, the other three will also do. So that's always good, right? All right, we're going to put these in the drawer. Okay, so let's start with primer. Always want to prime time. Get it? Prime time. Ah ha ha. I am so bad at that. I make all kinds of stupid jokes. Okay, so let's get a little brush here. What brush do I want to use? Let's use this one. Okay. The only thing with these is this brush may be a little big to dip in, so I'll have to be careful. Okay, let's get started with, I'm gonna just put this real light gray on as a transition shade. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh wow, that's light gray. There though, I can see it. Pigmentation's good. This is a little, you know, dusty. I mean, it's not, you know, a high-end thing, obviously. I think I went a little high with that. Oops, my bads. Okay, so just a quick, oh yeah, you can see that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush. And I'm going to go into this like medium gray right here. And that's going to be my crease shade. I'm going to try not to get too smoky, but you know how I work. You know how I operate. I like the smoky. I may have tapped off a little too much. Let's not tap it off. There we go. Yeah, your best bet with these is not to tap it off. So definitely I would suggest do your eyeshadow first, like I always do, because, well, I never know if I'm going to make a mess or not. So it's just safer for me to start off with my eyeshadow. See, the pigmentation's there, so I mean, It's good eyeshadow. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so the question is, do I want to go darker than that? Because if I do, it's going to get like smoky. I'm going to put that in the outer corner as well. We're just going to try not to make it too crazy smoky. But, like I said, you know me. Tend to get a little out of hand. Alright, next eye. So, you guys are watching this on Saturday, but for me, it is a Wednesday. I have to go to the DMV and return some license plates. What fun! What fun. At least I don't think it'll take me long. I'm pretty sure I can just walk in and go to the help desk and be like, hey, I want to turn in these plates. And they'll be like, okay. And then I pay the $1. You know what I hate? Okay, this is what I hate. I have to pay to get the plates, and then I have to pay you $1 to take them back? I'm sorry, what? How stupid. Just take the damn plates back. Didn't I pay you enough to get them? Anyways, so that's my complaint. Alright, it's looking a little smoky. We are going to take the transition brush and we are going to blend that out. Just a little. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. This is garbage. Okay, now on the lid, I don't know. What do I want to do for the lid? Okay, 3 years later, I'm going to take this silver color onto the lid, and I'm going to use my finger. Oh boy. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. How are we feeling about that? We feeling good about that? I'm feeling okay about that. Not bad. I have a gray smoky eye. I haven't done one in a while. Used to do it all the time because I loved the way gray made my eyes look. But I didn't get out a white. Oh, every time, guys. Every time. Okay. There we go. Wipe is done. And I bet when I bang that, I don't know why, but if I like bang something, my microphone cuts out. It's really weird. I don't know why. So if you've noticed that once in a while my microphone will cut out in my videos, I'm so sorry. I think I'm going to go in with a smaller fluffy brush to just intensify that gray in the outer corner a little more. I really want to go in with a little of the black, but I am trying to just not, because that would make it way too smoky. I mean, it's already pretty smoky, right? Yeah, it is. It is. Does it seem like it needs it? I don't know. It's pretty white. Should we put that on the brow bone? Let's do that. Let's take a little brush. I'll take this itty bitty flat brush. Hello. Lighting. I don't know. We're going to go into this white right here. We're going to put that on the brow bone. like so. You know what? We're gonna inner corner it too. I don't know why. It doesn't seem to be doing much in the inner corner. But okay. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the fallout. There really wasn't that much of a fallout, but we're just gonna tidy it up a little in the outer corner. See? See? Tidied the outer corner. That's it. That's all that was on there. Just that little spot. Okay. Next time. Not bad. Okay. Eyeliner. Gonna use the e.l.f. liquid liner today. And it probably should curl my lashes because I really don't feel like doing fake falsies. Fake falsies. I don't feel like doing falsies today. And there is that. I would have curled my eyelashes first before putting on eyeliner, but when I curl my lashes and then try to put on eyeliner, you know what happens? I get eyeliner on my lashes and I can't, for some reason, my lashes, when they're curled, get in the way of putting on my eyeliner. So, I always put on my eyeliner first. Cleaning off my eyelash curler. Curl some lashes. You know what? Before I curl lashes, I'm going to put on my primer. Okay. Curl the lashes now. Does anybody else with small eyes have issues curling their lashes with eyelash curlers? Like, they should make eyelash curlers, an eyelash curler for people with small eyes. If they do, please let me know where I can get one, because this is like too big and I can't ever get my outer lashes. It's a nightmare. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some Lash Paradise. Probably a really bad idea, but oh well. The only reason I say it's a bad idea is because this one is waterproof, so it's kind of a pain to get off if you don't put a non-waterproof mascara on first. But I just don't want to today because I just gotta get going to the DMV. So it is early day and my son gets out of school early on Wednesday, so I gotta make sure I get that done before I have to get him from school. Okay, 2 lashes of Lash Paradise. Alright, so I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then we'll be back to finish the bottom lash line, and that will be the final look. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so the rest of my makeup is on. So now we are going to finish the lash line and then do the lip, because I do have a Color Workshop lip liner, so I want to show you that. Okay, so for the bottom, I think, what am I going to do for the bottom? I think I'm going to take the shade that we used in the outer corner in the crease, which is that like medium gray, and I'm just going to run that along the bottom, and I might not do anything else. Let's see. See how I feel about it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. I think that's good. So now we're gonna put on some more mascara. Same mascara, Lash Paradise, and that is it for the eyes. How are we feeling about the eyes? Tell me in the comments. I want to know, do you like the gray Smokey, or are you like, nah? Let me know. Alright, now on to the lips. I'm going to use this lip pencil by the Color Workshop. It is in this pretty like purpley burgundy type of color. So I'm going to use that to line and fill in my lips. So there's that, all lined and filled in. It for like a pencil that's, you know, an inexpensive lip pencil, it glides pretty well. I mean, it's not like my Wet n Wild gel lip liner glide, but I mean, for pencils, not that bad. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some Believe Beauty. This is the name of this is, Jaggy, you just saw it. It is the Satin Crush Lipstick Plum Royal. And it's this lovely color. And I'm going to put that on, obviously. Like so. Oh no, we are not done yet. Okay, so there's that. And then in the center, I want to put this Believe Beauty Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in Honey Blush in the middle to kind of give a little dimension to my lips. And I'm going to pat that out with my finger. I don't know if you can tell in the camera. They just light in the center just a hair. Can you tell? I just a little, just to give it a little something something. Okie dokie. So this is the finished look. What are we thinking? How do we feel? The eyeshadows are very pigmented. They blend, they work, they're great. So if you were thinking about picking this up, it's $16.48. You get 4 eyeshadow palettes, a blush, a contour, highlight, bronzer, nail polish, lip pencils, eye pencils. I mean, the eyeshadows are good. I like them. I use them. I don't know if you could tell, but I've used this several times. But yeah. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you maybe decide if you want to purchase that gift set or not. I don't know. At some point during the video, the Shop With Me video was linked. So if you want to check that out, I can link it in the description box as well. So I'll link it in the description box also. So in case you missed the little eye. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll come back to watch more of my videos. I hope you have subscribed. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!